Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling. Today I'm taking apart another section of that residential AC I got. This was the, alrighty. This was the air filter to it, the control panel for that air filter. Uh-oh, we have a problem. Okay, sure, hammer can fix that. Let's see if we can just see what kind of goodies are in here. My treasures are getting worked through. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at this. Oh, where's my? All right, let's do it this way. There. Looky there. Got all circuit boards. Copper, 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 copper. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's the thermostat. Oh, silver in there. Let's see, silver in there. I think that's it there. That's cool. And all this yummy wire. Let's get in there. I'm going to break this whole thing down for this video. It'd be easier if I sat down. Ah, so much better. Let's see here. Oops. Try that again. Oh. Where in the world? Well, let's do it this way. Oh, what happened? Yeah. Getting excited. Got a new trick for getting into these things with my pipe cutter. What is it? Oh, nothing. Why did I switch heads? I don't like this one. Oh, because I need to do this. I was going to say I don't like this head. There. Give me my wire. I'm going to get you out of there. Probably have to use a hammer. Switching back. I don't like this head. Let's get a longer one. I need this one. Switch heads here. Rust these screws out. What kind of jerky we get? There we go. Very nice. Oh, snippers. Where did I drop them? What happened there? I'm going to use these for now. No. No. These are all brass connectors. Nice. They're usually aluminum. That's cool. See, like there. See, that's weird. There's aluminum and brass in the same. I don't know. I didn't build it. I didn't say how to do it. Where the magnet will find all that. That's taken care of. Separate all these wires. I'm not even going to check this. I can tell you, yep. It's all aluminum. That's probably why it has the stupid aluminum connectors. Oh, there you are. That. Of course. The head I didn't want to use. That's alright. I got it right here. And you. Oops. What was I thinking there? try that again. Steady. Steady. Let's try this. Oh, there we go. I just need a little torque help. Electric drill is great for this kind of stuff, but it doesn't always work. Oops. They're on there a little too tight. Put the drill to them, they just strip right away. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much trouble today. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. That's the old-fashioned way. I'm done playing with that. Done playing with you. And you. Oops. Got screws everywhere today. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, nice. Let's see. Where am I going with this? More wires. That would be helpful. Circuit boards are a little sharp. So when you're suffering, what you do is put on some protection. Giggity. Ooh, look at that. That's interesting. Yep, look at that. Beautiful. Copper, 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 copper. I think copper. Cool. Oh, 2 circuits. Cool. Alrighty. Well, I thought I could do it the nice way. Oh, you're gonna be like that. Let's try these ones. Really? Sometimes I wonder why videos take half hour to do something really simple, then you do it, and you're like, oh. Wow, you're going to be difficult, huh? There we go. That was easy. I didn't say. It's weird. It's a rather cheesy connection. I don't know where my snippers went. Oh, there they are. Hiding in the radiators. Jeez. Yeah, I have a few radiators I have to go through. And I just picked up a home AC, obviously. Lucky there. Nice, nice. Got Clark, separate use. Copper, copper, copper. Very nice. If you use it over there, go through these wires another time. How does that come out? Let's see. Curious as to what this part is. It's crazy over here. Pull these tabs back. What's this? Oh, thermostat part. Well, not throwing it away until I know what's in it. Or recycling it, not throwing it away. Give me these. Hands don't quite work like they used to. Need a little mechanical assistance every now and then. Okay, that's garbage. Pull these tabs back. Did all the radiator pipes for this yesterday. Was amazing. I'm going to save all those pieces of copper and save until I'm done processing this whole thing, and then we'll... Oh, it's a relay switch. Like, what in the world is that? Let's see, who can get under there? Oh, I see. Never mind. That's why I should be wearing safety glasses. Bet $1 and a donut there's silver in here. Let's just look. I can't wait. Oh yeah, I can tell you the way it came apart. I'm going to find copper, a little spool, some brass probably, and most definitely silver. Yep. Oh, no spool. Look at the size of those contacts right there. Is that metal? That's metal. Oops. Whoa. See, contact. It's just stuck with my. Oops. Chew in here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Drop in there, buddy. That's just a button. It's garbage now. Nice. Very nice. Oh, this. Kind of sure. It just looks like. Oh, I don't know how this worked. Oh, it's probably some sort of connector. I don't know. Doesn't matter anymore. Pull these metal pieces out of here. I won't do this right now, or I will do this right now. I was going to say I'm not going to do this right now for the sake of the video, but we might as well do it right now if it's that easy. I'm the next person to do this. Not that anybody's following my advice, but if you were, you'd know how easy that was to do. Let's see if I can salvage this little piece of wire. Oh, aluminum, but I'll save it. Plastic, garbage. Oh, mister. Here's my... Grab it. Really? Wow. Sometimes I think I have an idea, and then my idea is worse than I thought it would be. Oh, really? Yeah, that was easy. Yeah, there's another one. Screwdriver, just threw it everywhere. Yeah. Some of these aren't as easy as others to get into. But if you give it a little tap, jeez. All right. Yeah, some of these are hard, so I'll get that later. That saves. Never mind. Not saving this wire. I can see it's aluminum. I will go ahead and recycle. Geez, that was a struggle. There we go. Recycle. Recycle. This is going to be recycling. Let's see here. Oh, that looks like copper. Actually, I don't know. That is definitely aluminum. This little doodad. Saving you. Fix all this later. Doesn't have to be perfect now. Just most of it has to be recycled. I'm not going to spend the time to strip aluminum wires. There we go. That was easy. Shred. What's this? This is aluminum. This little circuit board. Oh, looky there. Look at that. That looks like brass, my friends. I'll have to punch that out. I'll take this apart. I'll take this apart, see if there's any other goodies on here. I'll go through and get all these pieces of brass off here. Already got some silver treasures from it. Oh, right about the most important part. Boom. Came with that nice cord. Oh wow, look at that. I've never seen one like this before. That's cool. That looks like brass, copper. Of course, I'll look in here. Oh, I thought that was brass. It's dirty. This will be easy to get off because it doesn't have a bunch of shellac on it. These are, once these will probably just explode. Oh, look how easy. Oh, no, a screwdriver stuck. Great. I like these kind of spools because literally it just unwinds. So cool. Nice. Alrighty. That's pretty much it. I'll take this apart. I can do that right now, I guess. Oh yeah. This one's going to be difficult, so I'm not going to do it right now. But I'm going to take this off, this off. I'll check this. This maybe has copper in it. This obviously I'm going to take apart. Oh, what is that? It's metal. Can't tell what it's sticking to. It feels like it's sticking to this outer piece. Yeah, I'll take all this apart and check it out. Awesome. That gives me some more stuff to do. Cool. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you like this video. And if you would, share this video. If you really like it, you can subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.